Earlier in the course, I mentioned that our team built an interview simulator app powered by GPT a few months ago. The most challenging phase in the development process wasn't preparing the database with interview questions to be fed to the AI or the developer's work. Instead, we discovered that we spent the most time on prompt engineering the AI and QAing its responses. This highlighted a vital issue everyone building AI products faces: model evaluation. After you've built an AI-powered product, you need a reliable way to test its output. If you skip the evaluation phase, you risk going live with an AI product that hallucinates, provides inconsistent responses, has ethical issues, which nowadays is probably the biggest deal breaker, and, in general, releases a product that isn't up to the required standards and doesn't perform as expected. So, we decided to use the popular AI as a judge approach, which essentially means asking an AI to evaluate the output of another AI. The AI judge will select and evaluate a sample of questions and responses from the AI interview simulator. Our app is built in a way that allows learners to be asked two main types of questions: open-ended and coding questions. The two are very different from an AI perspective. Code questions are closed-end tasks and much easier to evaluate than open-ended ones. With coding questions, the AI knows what type of output it should expect from the task, and can, therefore, easily assess whether the tool calculated correctly or whether its code produced a given output. Open-ended questions are much more subjective and difficult to evaluate, but strong models are improving in this activity. According to LangChain's State of AI report, 58% of the projects built on their platform used AI as a judge, which shows the increasing importance of this part of the AI dev cycle. The substantial benefits of evaluating AI by AI include cost-effectiveness, scalability, speed, and the ability to review a larger volume of interactions with customers. This is especially important if you have thousands or tens of thousands of users and want to deploy an AI-powered app. On the flip side, AI models lack human intuition and ethics, which can lead to challenges in contexts where nuanced understanding and moral judgments are crucial. Therefore, it's also imperative to involve human judges in the evaluation process.